track.
I got you. He probably noticed the lights start flashing.
Description, but they drove rapidly back into the wooded area, and they didn't come west. So for whoever's been on the perimeter, they didn't come west. They went east or to the north and south.
Okay. And based on that, can we get a unit at
Seat track. Oh, yeah. K10, show me the boy. That's the boy. Good boy. Yeah, I see that. He's making big circles, like they're sitting still. Good boy. That's a good man. That's a good man. Hey, Buster, come. Buster, come on. Come on. Hey, come here. Come here. Make sure you take a good look down in there. Where'd they go? Here go man, find a man. Somebody come down to that 9501 Sunbeam and just sit in front of this house. We're in that backyard again, and he's stalling. He doesn't want to go further east. I'm going to keep trying to check and see if he will go. Alright, we're still making our way through the palmettos to the east. Whoever that was running with me, come on. I got footprints back here again. Looks like they're still together. There's multiple footprints back here. Good boy. Good boy. Ah. Good boy. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Hold on. Where'd they go? Good boy. Let's get him. Where'd he go? Let's find him. Good boy. Yeah. K10. We have a neighbor advising they're in this backyard where I am now. Or at least they were. Come on. Find him. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Show me your fucking hands right now! Show me your fucking hands! On your face right now! On your fucking face! Don't move your hands! You got it, Russ? Don't move your hands! Get behind your back! K10, we found one of them now. We're trying to detain him. Stand by. Yes! Buster! Woo! What a track! Woo! What a track! Buster! Hey! Come here! Hey! Come here! That's a good hound! He's a good hound! Huh? Woo! That was a good track! Ah! Good track! Woo! That was a good track.